Hey guys, it's almost done. It's a couple more days and she comes home, so I'll give you a little tour of all the updates. Let me grab a light here. So he's basically closing the back now to get it all. We got the tubs in. As you can see, the tub goes all the way to the top, so he's gonna have to we're gonna have to put carbon fiber pieces there and you resin them to the body. We also close those pieces there. The anti-roll bar tabs, the shock tabs. You have the put the transcooler there for now. So these in the back here are kind of tricky to do, but I think it looks great. There's a little piece that's gonna come here that's left, and the rear will probably be done to be closed up. As you can see, the shocks are in there. These are the new shocks. Thank you to PRS, Precision Racing Suspension. These shocks looks amazing. 4-way Penske 8760s. They get the air inlet. So you got one rebound setting and then the second rebound setting. The helper spring. Yeah, so a couple more days and it's ready to go. Just to give you an idea, the carbon tubs. So this is all going to be sealed up with a piece of carbon, and the rear of the car is pretty much going to remain identical. So we're probably going to put a little piece here and maybe block it, as you can see inside. We were debating of cutting it here, but I kind of wanted the stock look, so we just have to cover this here. You can't really see it, but what else? We got these pieces welded in, so that's done. Now we're gonna have to clean up all this area there and weld the steering column. I got a new steering column there because the OEM is very heavy, but yeah, almost ready. Then do the trans tunnel. It's ready to go. Give you an idea how it looks. We got the diff, anti-roll bar. What else I got? There's a bunch of stuff. The drive shaft loop inside there. They're in the boot. I just painted them. Got the last pieces painted. So this is the trans cross member in the middle. So that way you can remove it and lower the trans. This is obviously the diff. This is where the wishbone goes. Brake lines, vent, brake line T there. Nice. This is the drive shaft enclosure. So this will sit in the middle. That's where the shifter, the M&M shifter will go. It'll be right on a pole. We kept the Sharky parachute mount, anti-roll bar. Yeah, so next week we'll come back and put these all back on the car.
So by the looks of this, no dash, right?
Oh, dash going in. All right, so a little view from the top. As you can see, the tubs, they go all the way up. So these will be riveted here. Obviously this is carbon, is just covered for now. But that's your view. Look at that. Let's open this thing up. So there's a carbon piece that goes here. So this is all, you won't see the cooler, obviously. This is going to be covered. That will be covered. You can see that rod there. Look at massive tub, and it goes all the way to the top. Let's see. So I got to run the fire extinguisher lines. I got to run brake lines, cooler lines. Yeah. He added some reinforcement bars. If you can see it connects to there, all the way to the chassis there. So these are going to obviously reinforce the body, so the body is nice and rigid now, it won't move. There is, I believe, some in here too, but you can't see them, they're hidden in the back. There is one that connects to the door latch from here, and there's another one underneath it. Yeah, but it's all hidden, you can't really see. We got the wishbone, The axles, these are going to get powder coated. I have to figure out what color they're going to be. There's the catch can there. The catch can will sit up here. And here will be carbon covers here. There's a carbon cover on Zeus. There's another carbon cover here that goes bolted on. And yeah, there'll be like the big tunnel over here. Yeah, so stay tuned. A couple more days, probably Wednesday, Thursday, we're gonna bring it home. And I'll take another video. I'll show you around the car. All right, guys. Thank you.